Hi, this is Ron from ron.dj.com. So, ito, yung pinadala sa ating package ang realme Philippines is related to this particular month, August of 2021. Kasi meron silang series of big events na mangyayari this month. So, karating lang natin to. Sorry for the buzz. Ito, meron nakalagay na realme Dare to be you. So, I don't know, ano yung nasa loob. So, tingnan natin, nasanitize naman natin to. And may hint kayo na XL. Tingnan natin kung ni XL. So, actually yun. Ito sa atin ng Realme. First, ito muna, itsura. Yan, yung mismong box. So, Realme Gift Global Limited Realme Store. Realme, ito yung parang official na mascot which looks like a cat. 2020, ano, 10 yan. Para siya nag-hologram ng konti. Tapos ay nakalagay na Dare to Live. Pero first muna itong laman ng box. Kasi meron siya nakaipit doon sa parang paper wrap na yun. First ito. Ito yung official na another shirt. I'm not sure kung magbebenta ang Realme Philippines ng another series of shirt. This time naman black siya. So alam ng Realme na malaki akong tao. So ang binigay nila XL. Thank you very much Realme for this. Buksan lang natin yung actual t-shirt to eh. Alam niya size ko XL, buti XL hindi large. So yan. So yan nakalagay Dare to be you. Yan. Tapos may branding ng Realme dito sa lower left portion nung pag nakaharap sa yung shirt. Kasi yan sa likod. Sa likod, wala na nakalagay. So, thanks Realme, sakto. Mahilig rin ako sa mga black shirt. Malamang panggagala ako sa mga susunod na hopefully sa next na beta try tayo na bagong phone ng Realme. Paggala natin to. So, balikan natin yung box. So, ito yung box kanina. Ito, nakalagay independent, breakthrough, fearless, and agile. Touch, for sure, ito siguradong hindi magiging available sa store, I guess. Pero yung shirt, sana. And ito na. Wow, that package. So, may stickers ng Realme. So, may phone. Realme 8 yata ito na 40. Tapos, ito yung ating represent ng 65 watt na super dart charger. Then ito may peace sign, may smiley. Tapos ito 828 Realme Fan Festival, the Realme Meow, Dare to be you, Realme branding, tapos may music. Tapos ito, pag-usapan muna natin more on this one. So ito may note, Global Realme Fan Festival 2021 which starting today, we shoot this one August 9, 2021 up to August 28. Tapos laman ng package, wow, ito kailangan ko to pag medyo mainit sa fan na may stand to, I guess may stand. Tapos charger, I guess kailangan to for this and this. Micro USB to USB cable, regular USB. Tapos Bluetooth speaker na may play buttons and a water bottle, yeah, 450 ml. So ano ba kung backup na tumbler. So that's it. Small unboxing on this one, pero mas gusto ko yung shirt on this one. So so ito, pag-uusapan natin yung Realme Global Fan Festival. Ano nabanggit ko, malaking bagay, malaking yung event ngayon ng Realme this August 2021. So start like yung 88 natapos na, malaki yan yung sale na nakaraan. Narinig nyo na yung bit ko, Shopee, the notification. So saan in-announce nila yung kanilang Realme Tech Life air purifier and Realme Cobble Bluetooth speaker. Tapos meron silang parating sa August 11, yung Dare to be you movement, which wala pa tayong hint kung mangyayari. Malamang abangan nyo lang sa Facebook page ng Realme. And yung 826 which Dare to celebrate, kung saan sabay na mangyayari, I guess. I'm not sure if you'll be under one stream. Yung 828 Realme Fan Festival, which for sure online yun. Tapos at the same date din yung Realme Mobile Legends Season 4 Cup, yun yung tinatawag na RMC, which is mangyari sa 8.6, I guess siguro finals sila yun. So that's it. At nagkaroon din pala before it pala nung 8.8, nagkaroon ng Realme ng launch or global launch ng Realme Flash, which yun yung kanilang first smartphone na may mag direct charge, na kung saan another way to charge the Realme phone wirelessly. So that's it. Simple unboxing lang nitong package lang nitong binenta sa ng Realme Philippines. Thank you very much Realme. And of course, lalagay ko rin sa description below yung review natin ng Realme 8 5G, and of course the related link regarding on this global Realme Fan Festival 2021. So that's it. This Ron DJ. Please check our social media accounts below, and please hit that subscribe button. Medyo nakalagpas na tayo ng 500 subs. Thank you very much for subscribing on this one, and road to 1K subs. Thank you for watching.